You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly in English. It means to think or suppose something. So essentially to think, this is more of a familiar term, a bit of a slang term. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is interesting in English, stay tuned. It's pronounced as reckon. That's your English pronunciation. Both British and American and Australian is similar. Reckon, not reckon or reckon. 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 I reckon this is a good video. What do you reckon? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.